Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a relaxing Sunday. I use the term relaxing very loosely. I know Diwali is fast approaching and most of us are like trying to clean up and just get everything put away in time. I honestly don't know how time is just going so fast, but here we are almost in November, which is so insane to me. But you know, this tag has been going around on YouTube quite often. Basically, it's where YouTubers share products that TikTok made them buy. And me being on TikTok, you all know I'm a shopaholic, so it is no surprise that TikTok made me buy a lot of crap. But honestly, some of these gadgets here are so crazy good. I think they would make really great Christmas gifts, and I wanted to push this video out really soon because I know if it is you have to order it, you want to get it in time for Christmas, so the earlier you order the better. And I'm just gonna hush and dive straight into these gadgets because your mind is about to be blown. This is how you know you're reaching your 30s, when you get excited for kitchen tools and gadgets. Listen, this rechargeable mini chopper has changed my kitchen game. It just makes things so much easier in the kitchen, especially when you have to stand up there and grate a lot of garlic, because I love garlic so much when I'm cooking. So to stand up there and grate all them little clove of garlic, I know about our life again. So I just throw them in here and you can get a really fine chop or a very rough chop, and you just press on top like that. So easy. Open it like this. You do not wet this part at all because the motor is in here, and it's so easy to clean. I have been using this for the last couple of weeks like crazy. Every time I cook I use this now. Even my mom really likes it, and the fact that it's rechargeable, it holds charge. Honestly, I've never charged this since it got shipped to me from Amazon. I did not charge this and it is still working fine. All you have to do is flip this little lid here, this little silicone lid, plug it in, charge it, and you're done. But this is so amazing. I think it makes a really great gift if you have a friend who likes to cook and you just want to make things easier. It's so good. And also, not to mention, it's like really chic. I love the color. Obviously I love white, so I think it just looks really pretty on our kitchen counter. But the main reason I love this is because it saves me from having to pull out the big food processor just to grind a few things. Such a game changer. I know this looks so futuristic, and that is exactly the best way to describe this. This is a bladeless fan. When I tell you this is like my favorite product from Amazon, probably my second favorite now, but it is so good. This is a bladeless fan, so the breeze comes out of like this area here, and it's also in night light. So you press it 3 times to get the different speeds. This is best used like on a desk, so I keep this on my vanity when it is I'm studying, doing my makeup, because it's not powerful to say like it'll cool an entire room. It's just for like a couple feet away from you. So people I see online using this like on their desk, their office desk, home desk, wherever. But I absolutely am in love with this. Not to mention that it does have like night lights. I don't know if you could see it because I have my bright lights on, but yeah, you could kind of see it there. So it comes with 5 different colors, and then the last mode it gradually changes into other colors. This is such a cool feature, and yes, it is rechargeable as well. This product literally blew my mind. Even when I have it on my desk, I keep it at the very lowest speed because to me it's quite powerful when I have it like about 2 or 3 feet away from my face when like I'm typing and stuff. But this is so good. It's not the quietest fan, but it's not the loudest either. I think this is a really cool purchase, especially if you're like me and you don't really like to have the AC on all day, but you know, it's hot over here, so we need to cool down. This also helps you save energy, so I think it's a really good buy. It's also a really cool present, like a bladeless fan. Hello. This next product is actually the first product that TikTok made me buy, and this is an electric candle lighter. When I tell you a game changer, I literally have no more use for matches anymore. This is rechargeable, like I said, so you just turn it on this way and then you press the button and it just sparks like that. It's actually really cool. It kind of reminds me of something from Star Wars, but this lights wood wick candles, regular wick. It is such a good little device, so cheap. And I also bought the one with the flexible neck, because you know sometimes like when your candle is like really low down at the bottom of the jar, you don't want to like stick your hand in there to light it because it could kind of burn you. So this I think is really cool. I love the flexible neck. I think this was probably the cheapest one that I found on Amazon, and it is working so good. I have no complaints about it. Really love this little item. The only thing is that the noise that it makes, that little spark, it kind of like annoys Ashes, so I have to make sure she's out of the room when I'm lighting it, or I try to like talk over the noise. So just bear that in mind if you have a dog, or I don't know if it's cats as well, but any pets, just be careful using this because they're kind of sensitive to the noise. This product here, I bought one to try it and I fell completely in love with it, so I bought two more. This is a LED light bar. I'll have to insert footage of how it works because we have them stuck in the cupboard right now. This light bar basically illuminates any dark area of your house. I've seen people use this in their closets, even like under their cabinets in their kitchen, which is what we use it for, because where we have our groceries, those cupboards can get pretty dark. So that is why I bought them, because when my dad is like packing away groceries, he would have to like sit with a torchlight on to like make sure he's seeing where he put in things. So I thought this would just be so cool to alleviate that problem. And let me tell you something, game changer. I can't tell you how much times I'm gonna say that word in this video, but listen, you need to get this if you have dark areas in your house that you want to light up. One of the cool things about this light is that it comes with a remote, so you can operate the light at 50% brightness or 100% brightness. It also has a timer set, because this does work with battery. That's the only thing I didn't like. I wish it was rechargeable, but it does work with 3 AA batteries. So with this, you have a timer you can set on it, so you can see the different time sets. So let's say you're gonna be in your cupboard for like 15 minutes, you can set it for 15 minutes. But to be honest, we don't really use the timer. And also, if it is you don't want to use the remote, you can just tap the light. So basically you just tap the light to turn it on, tap it again to turn it off. So in fact, I actually keep the remote because I know my father will lose these, so I just let him tap the light when he needs to turn it on in the cupboard. But honestly, this is amazing. I feel like I just want to illuminate everything in my house now, and it is so cheap, not to mention very bright. You ever came across a product and you're like, this is so weird but so brilliant at the same time, like why was this never created earlier in life? This is that product for me. This is the slip-on shower hose. It's called the Rinse-A-Roo. Now as you can see, it's still in the box. I have not used it yet, to be fair, to give you like a genuine review. But let me tell you something, I have not seen a single negative review on this product, and the only reason I have not used it yet is because I have to bathe Ashes, but I want to bathe her like closer to the Wally, so I have not used it yet. But this is basically a hose, so it comes with like this flexible material, and it hooks on to your shower head, and it turns your shower into like a hose. You know how some shower heads come with a hose attachment? We don't have that, so this is basically doing that for us. And let me see if I could find a picture of the lady doing it. Oh yeah, look at it. So you see, it attaches to your shower head and then it turns it into a hose. So you can even use this to clean your bathroom, you can use it to bathe your pets. What else can you use it for? You can even use this on your faucet in your like vanity sink or whatever, to like fill a bucket or something. But I think this is just a really cool idea. You will never rinse with a bucket again, so I can't wait to genuinely test it and let y'all know how this works. But I just say let me share it in case I don't get the video out in time. If it is, this is something you might be interested in. I think it's really cool. Check it out. I am down to my final 2 Amazon gadgets, and this one you can see in action right now. This is a 3D moon nightlight. Oh my gosh, when I tell you this is so beautiful at night, I will insert a video of it here, lighting at night. It is so beautiful, relaxing and calming, and also I just think it makes like a very relaxing something to look at in the background of my videos. So I absolutely love it. This can get very bright as well, but what I love is that it comes with a remote, and you can also change or adjust the brightness. You can change the colors. Right now I have it on the fade setting, so it kind of like gradually changes into the different colors. but this is such a fun little lamp. I think it would make a really great gift even for like a teenager, a kid, or an adult, because they actually have some really cool ones on Amazon too, like some levitating ones. The only reason I didn't get that one is because I don't have a plug back there, and the base of that levitating lamp, you have to plug it in. But I think this is also a really cool option. It is just so fun, so different, and I think it makes a wonderful decor item. I completely forgot to mention that I did not buy the light from Amazon, even though that is where it's from. I bought it from an online local store because, you know, she's a really small page and I wanted to give her a sale. So I will link her page down below if it is you're someone who wants to purchase it locally like myself. But you can definitely get it on Amazon. It's just all I'm saying. And the last Amazon gadget I want to share with you all is my Instax Mini 11 camera. When I tell you I'm obsessed with this little camera, it is so beyond ridiculous. Like, it takes the cutest photos ever. And the bundle that I bought actually came with a bunch of frames and stickers. It came with a camera cover. The only downfall for this camera, to me personally, is the film, because, you know, that's the kind of catch in it, if you want to say, because you have to keep repurchasing the film and it's not the cheapest thing ever. But you can find some really great bundles on Amazon, so definitely check those out when you're looking to buy film. But yo, this is like the most chic, cute camera I have ever seen. I think this would make a really cool gift for like a teen girl even. It is so nice, even though they are like literally only adults I see using these, to be quite honest. But I love it so much. They come in different colors, you get the string. It is just such a fun little camera. And what I like particularly about the Mini 11 is that it comes with the auto flash, so it will detect the environment, the lighting in the environment, and determine if it needs to use flash or not. So I kind of like that built-in feature. There's also a selfie mode on this, so you have to actually pull out the lens to take your selfie. It is just such a fun little camera, especially like if you have one with your crew, because that is literally what is happening here. My best friends have one, now I have one, so we like this little Instax crew, so it's kind of fun, and I just think it's so cute and girly. I know some people might not find this like the coolest thing ever, but I do. I really love it. And this concludes all of the Amazon gadgets that TikTok made me buy, so I definitely hope that you guys check them out. I will have all of the products linked down below. They're Amazon links, that is. Just know that these are not affiliate links. I do not make money off of these links. It's just to, you know, help you find them easier. If for some reason any of these products are sold out, I will try to find the next best one and link it down below as well. But don't forget, if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, as it would really help out my little channel, and comment down below which of these products are like jiggling your balls, because honestly I was really impressed by all of these. I'm so happy I have them. And as always, if you are new here, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. You guys make sure and take care of yourselves, and try not to kill out yourself cleaning for Diwali. Take your time, you. So you guys take care. I'll see you all soon. Bye.